Hi, I'm Melissa. I was in a witch cult, and now I go over the astrology, a tarot card, and a rune for the day to help you work smarter and not harder. So, moon is going to be in Gemini. This is going to be good for communication, but it also makes us prone to gossip. The moon is squaring Mercury at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, which is going to make us especially prone to gossip. And it's going to be coming from a place of us being butthurt or feeling in our emotions about it. So you want to make sure to watch your words, watch what you're saying, and also who you are receiving that information from. Because it might not just be you doing the gossip, you might be receiving that gossip from someone else. If you do say something that is shitty, you do have the moon sextiling Chiron at 1:50 p.m. Eastern, and that's going to be a time for you to have those healing conversations about what you said previously when the moon was in a negative aspect. The moon is going to trine Mars around 6 p.m. Then it's going off the grid. Overnight, there are three major aspects that I do want to talk about so that we are prepared for tomorrow morning when we wake up. The first one is that the sun is going to square Lilith. I just want us to be careful that we do not take the law into our own hands because it is going to put a little rebellious fire underneath our butts, and that's Lilith in general, especially when it's negatively aspecting. That's going to be around all day tomorrow because it is a sun aspect. The moon is also going to enter into Cancer overnight. So things like home, who we love, and how we're taking care of them is going to be highlighted throughout the next 3 days. And also overnight, Mercury retrograde begins. So problems with communication and travel. And the card for today is going to be the 10 of Cups reversed. So we do have some positive relationships in our life, but they may get a little askew today. Between both of those big moon aspects, there is time for that to be healing. With the 10 of Cups, it can be positive, right side up or reversed. We just have to keep in mind that there might be some bumps along the way between the astrology and this card. And then the rune for today is the one that is about relationships. And it's the same thing with the 10 of Cups and overall the astrology for today. Particularly before we get into Mercury retrograde, you want to have those healing conversations and not out of a place of anger, especially if you did it earlier on in the day. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Love you, bye.